In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for monthly installments on Amazon. If you've been eyeing that new gadget or perhaps something for the home but don't want to pay for it all up front, Amazon's installment plan might just be your best friend. To make this process as smooth as possible, I'm going to walk you through the steps, so grab your coffee or tea and let's dive into it. First things first, let's visit the Amazon website. Open your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com in the address bar. Alternatively, you can also access Amazon through their mobile app if that's more convenient for you. Once you're on Amazon's homepage, you're greeted with countless offers and deals. It's time to focus and proceed to the next step, signing in. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll spot the sign in option. Click on that link. If you're using the app, you'll find this option within the menu section. Who knows, this might even be a good time to update any contact or payment information in your profile, ensuring everything is aligned perfectly for that big purchase. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to Amazon's homepage. Your next mission is to search for the product of your dreams, but there's a catch. It needs to be available for monthly installment payments. So type the name of the item you're interested in into the search bar. If you don't have a specific product in mind, browse through categories such as electronics or kitchen appliances. These usually have options available for installment payments. Found a potential purchase? Fantastic. Now here's the crucial bit. Check if the item is eligible for monthly installments. You'll typically find this information on the product detail page right next to the price. It often states something like 5 monthly payments of. This means you can pay for the item in convenient chunks over the next few months. And remember, not every item on Amazon is eligible for this, so make sure to look out for these indicators. If everything checks out, proceed to add the item to your cart. Once ready, you can follow through with the checkout process, applying for the monthly installment option during the payment method selection. Amazon will handle the rest, setting up a schedule to automatically charge your chosen payment method each month until the balance is cleared. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to breaking that hefty purchase into smaller, more manageable payments. Whether it's treating yourself or getting the necessities, this is an efficient way to budget without the stress of upfront costs. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!